Hello, good evening everyone. Welcome to Gradeup. I'm Vikas Bhadoria and I welcome you to this very important session on Startup ME. As you all know that in the Startup ME we were conducting the classes of fluid mechanics, but today we are not conducting any technical class. Today is a general discussion about what after GATE 2020, because recently, as you all know, that GATE 2020 exam for mechanical has been conducted on 1st of Feb. And so those who have given this exam, this session is very much important for those students, that what you have to do after your GATE 2020 exam. Okay, so I'll be waiting for you to join this session and then we'll start discussing about this. Yes, so I'm waiting for all of you to join the session so that we can have a quick discussion about it. Those who have given their GATE exam this year, that is on 1st of Feb, so this discussion is very much important. This session is very much important for you. Please join this session. And also, while joining the session, you can tell your friends about this very important session. You can share it to your friends. Okay. Hi, Naveen. Very good evening to you. Good evening, Naveen. Yes, guys, please share about this session to your friends so that we can have more students with us so that we can discuss about it. Okay. And also don't forget to like the session. This session that we are providing you, it is very much helpful, especially for those who have just given their GATE exam on 1st of Feb. So right now I can see only one student with me, Naveen. Naveen is live in the YouTube. I think he is also live in the app. Hi, Prashant Kumar. Hi, good evening. Good evening, all of you. This is very important session, so I request you all, those who are present live with us, please share this session to your friends so that we can have a proper conversation about this very important session on what you have to do after your GATE exam. Yes. Anik Mitra, you are from electrical branch. No, it is not required for you to watch it, because the reason is that, well, this session is specially for mechanical, because I will be telling you what are the possible opportunities after GATE exam for mechanical. But see, Anik, you are having your exam on the coming Saturday. So I would request you to better prepare for your exam. You can revise your concept. You can watch this session later on also, because in this session I will be telling you few points which is important for all the branches. But I would be requesting for electrical, computer science and civil branch students, kindly please, you can watch the session later on. Okay, after the GATE exam, you can watch this session later on. Okay, but this session I will be only discussing mainly for mechanical, because for mechanical we have conducted the GATE exam. The GATE exam was conducted on 1st of Feb, and also electronics student can also join it. Okay. So I would request all the other branches students right now, because I can tell you to join the session. Okay, there is no point. I can have more viewer for the session. But I would request those students who are having their GATE exam on Saturday and Sunday, you can watch the session later on. This time your priority should be revision. You should revise your concept. That is more important right now. Okay, what you have to do after GATE exam, you can watch it later on. Okay. Well, this session is very important for mechanical, because this session we are conducting under Startup ME. Okay, the Startup ME is a free series which is going on our YouTube channel and also on the app. So in that we are conducting this session, a very important session, what to do after GATE 2020. This is a general session. And why it is important? Because this session is important. The reason is that maybe you are preparing for GATE 2021 and ESE 2021, but those who have given their GATE exam on 1st of Feb for 2020, this session is important. You can have you can understand what you have to do after the GATE exam, how you what are the possible opportunities that you have to, you should not do any mistake. Okay. So what is important in this session is, let me start. Before I start discussing about this session, well, Pravan Prajapati is having this query. Good evening, sir. You are the only teacher who teaches. Okay, Pawan Prajapati, if you liked my classes for fluid mechanics, that is very good. these classes, and your feedback is very much helpful for us to understand that the thing which we are providing in the lecture is sufficient enough, is good enough or not. Okay, so if you like it, then it's very good and positive feedback. Thank you. Okay, before I discuss about this session, this is a brief information about me. This is a brief introduction about me, those who don't know me or meeting me for the first time. Well, I'm Vikas Bhadoria, that is my name. I have 5+ year teaching experience, and I did my MTech in thermal engineering branch. And then I have around 10+, I have mentored more than 10,000+ students. And my area of expertise include fluid mechanics, thermal applied, and heat transfer. So this is a brief introduction about me. Okay. So those who are watching me for the very first time, this information is definitely helpful for you. Now, what after GATE 2020? I know that the classes that we conduct on our startup ME, especially for those students who are preparing for GATE and ESE 2021. But if you are some pass out student and you have given this GATE exam in 2020, so what are the possible options? After giving the exam, you must have seen our analysis. Have you seen our GATE analysis that we have given on 1st of Feb at 9 p.m.? So in that analysis, we have discussed around 48 questions for shift 1 and around 25 to 30 questions for shift 2. Okay, so after going through the session, you must have got an idea that, okay, we have given you a brief detailed solution of each and every question. So you must have marked the right answers and what are the answer you are getting. Okay, so you must have got a brief idea about that, okay, whether you are in the safe zone or not, whether you are able to qualify it, or how much marks you are getting, whether you are getting 60+ or 70+ or 80+, or you are not able to qualify it. So you must have got some idea about your GATE exam that was conducted on 1st of Feb. Right? So after going through our analysis, you must have got an idea that, okay, what is the possible score that or possible marks that you are getting in your GATE exam. Right? You must have got a brief idea, right? So what you have to do after the GATE exam? See, those who have given their GATE exam and they are getting, more than 60+ marks. Those who are positive enough that they will get 60+ marks in this GATE 2020 exam for mechanical. What are the possible options? You know what are the possible options? The possible option for those who are getting 60+ marks. Why I am telling you 60+ marks? Because if you are getting less than 60, then also you have got only one option, that is you can go for MTech in some central government university or some NITs, right? But if you are getting 60+ marks, then you will have the best opportunity. Okay. If I talk about the PSU, in 60+, we have two categories. Okay, that is from 60 to 70, and from, or we can say 60 to, better will be 60 to 75 and greater than 75. Okay. So if you are having your marks in this range, then you have got all the opportunities for getting into IITs or NITs and ISC Bangalore for your MTech. Okay. And if you are getting 75+ marks, then definitely you can get a call from some PSU public sectors. Okay. So that is the best opportunities, that if you are getting this much marks, 60+ marks, and in that also we have got two ranges, 60 to 75 and greater than 75. If you are getting your marks, if you are having an idea that, okay, this much marks you can get, okay, by giving the paper, you must have got a brief idea, okay, you must have got an analysis of that, okay. So if you are having this idea that, okay, you are in this range, whether in this range or in this range, then this session is very important for you. And if you are getting the marks less than, we can say 50, we can say if you are getting the marks less than 50 marks, if you are getting, okay, if you are getting the marks which are less than 50 marks, okay, that means what are the possible opportunities if you are getting less than 50 marks in the GATE exam, and what are the possible opportunities if you are getting 60+ marks, okay, because you can have only these two categories, right? After giving the GATE exam, you can have these two possible categories depending on how you have performed in the GATE exam, okay. Now you have given so much time. If you are preparing for the GATE exam, you must have given your 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, complete time you have given for this GATE exam. And due to some reason, maybe in the GATE exam, because this time the paper was very difficult, so maybe due to that reason or due to some other reason, you may not be getting the marks which you must have thought of that you will be getting. Okay, so then we have these two categories. Okay, so if you are lying in this list 1, then I will be telling you that what are the opportunities. And even if you are getting less than 50 marks, then also I will be telling you the possible opportunities. Okay, so what you have to do after the GATE exam. So let's move further. Now, if you are getting 75 plus marks, see, I will be very much frank to you all and very straightforward that if you are getting 75 plus marks, and to be very precise, if you are getting 80 plus marks, then only if you are getting 80 plus marks, because based on this time the expected cutoff, according to Gradeup and according to me, that expected cutoff this time will be around 31 to 30 marks. That will be the expected cutoff. Okay, that is according to me, depending on the difficulty level, because this time the question were very lengthy, and maybe it can go up to 29 also. The cutoff can go up to 29 to 30 marks. Okay, that can be the expected cutoff according to me for mechanical, because the question were very lengthy. The paper was also one of the toughest paper. Okay, Mayank Saxena, I am only talking everything about the mechanical branch. So whatever I am discussing here is for mechanical branch. Okay, for other branches, their respective faculties will be taking the session for after the GATE. Okay, so right now I am only discussing about the mechanical branch. Okay, so for mechanical, if your expected marks are more than 80 plus marks, okay, after giving your paper, you must have got an idea that whether you are getting 80 plus marks or not. So if you are getting 80 plus marks, then you will be eligible for these set of PSUs. These are the set of PSUs which are linked through the GATE exam. Okay, but you are not going to get the call from the PSU if you have not filled the forms. You have to fill and apply these forms. So these are the list of some PSUs that you can see. These are linked through GATE exam. So we can have this WBSEDCL, that is West Bengal. This is a public sector related to West Bengal. Then we have BARC exam. Then we have OMPL. Then we have NSPCL. Then NTPC Limited, NPCIL, ONGC, IOCL, DRDO, MDL, Mothergaon Dockyard Limited. Then we have Delhi Development Authority, AAI, that is Airport Authority of India. Then we have OPGC, KRCL, BNPM. So these are the list of the PSUs that are for mechanical. Well, Tata Power, you are saying it's not a PSU, but yes, it is sometimes, you can say it is a kind of a mini PSU, okay. So these are the list of all the Maharatna, Navaratna and mini PSU, whatever you can say that. These are the list of the PSUs, whether they are of small level or they are of Maharatna level. These are all linked through GATE exam, your GATE 2020 exam, okay. So if you are getting 80 plus marks, don't forget that these PSUs are not going to call you by themselves, okay. You have to apply for these PSUs, okay. You will get the notification, for all these exams, okay, all these PSUs. You just have to fill these form of this PSU, okay. So please, that is a very important information. Don't forget to fill the form. Don't forget to fill the form, because even if you are getting 80 plus marks and if you will not fill the form for these PSUs, you won't be getting a call from them, right? You have to apply for them. You have to fill the form, then only you will get a call, right? So don't forget that you have to fill the form for these PSUs. And if I talk about how you are getting the notification, how you will get the notification, for that you can just follow our Gradeup app. In the Gradeup app, we will provide you the notification as soon as you will get the notification for any PSU. We will be providing you that, okay, this is the notification, this is the last date, and you can fill the form, okay. So don't forget to follow our Gradeup app. We'll be providing you the notification as soon as we will get the notification from these PSUs. will update it on the Gradeup app. Okay, so don't forget to fill the form if you are getting 80 plus marks or 75 plus marks. Then also you should fill the form for these PSUs. Okay, because I'm telling you that the expected cutoff will be from 29 to 30 marks. Okay, so the safe score that you will be get a call from PSU is you should have 80 plus marks. Definitely you will get a call. Okay, and these are the list of the PSU. You don't have to worry about the list. You don't even have to worry about the notification. Gradeup will provide you the notification. You just have to follow our Gradeup app. Okay. Now, what are the other possibilities? What are the other possibilities if you are getting a good score, if you are getting good marks in the GATE exam, then what are the other possibilities? Okay, so one possibility I have told you about the PSU, if you are getting 80 plus marks. Other possibility is that if you are getting marks from 60 to 75 and also greater than 75. It's just not that if you are getting 75 plus marks, then only you can apply for the PSU. Okay. Or you can also apply for your higher studies. If you want to pursue your MTech, then also you can apply. And you should apply actually. You should apply if you are getting 75 plus marks or 80 plus marks, then you should apply for both. For PSU also and for these IITs and NITs also. Because you don't know what can happen, okay? Maybe you don't get selected in the interview, right? Because these PSUs call for interview for up to 300 plus rank, up to 300 rank, okay? So, if you, maybe there can be chances that you might not get selected in the interview. So, better is, as a safe side option, you should also fill for this IITs and NITs, okay? You should have both the option with you. Okay, so try to apply for these IITs and NITs as well if you are getting 75 plus marks, and even if you are getting 60 to 75 marks, then also you should fill the form for these IITs and NITs. Now for NITs, there is a single platform. There is a single platform for applying for the NITs. Okay, but for IITs, we have to fill the single form for all the IITs. Okay, and if I talk about the notification for the IITs, for applying for MTech in the IITs, you will be getting from this month only, from February month only. Okay, so don't wait for it. You have to check the website of all these IITs. You will get the notification. You will get the link for filling the or applying for the MTech. Okay. Well, Saurabh Singh is having this question, sir, MS or MTech में कौन सा better option है? Well, Saurabh Singh, it totally depends on you, because if you have to pursue your MS, okay, that is you have to pursue MS basically is also a better option, but if you have to pursue MS, better is to go for some foreign universities for your MS, okay, because they have better opportunities outside, okay, and if you have to pursue MTech, then these are the list of IITs, these are the best opportunities for you if you have to pursue a MTech, okay. So stipend is there for MTech, yes. Sasi, you have, if you pursue your MTech from IITs and IITs or any government colleges, you will get a stipend of 12,400. That is the stipend that you will be getting if you pursue your MTech from IITs and IITs, or I'll be telling you the list of colleges that provide you this scholarship after your MTech. Okay. So if you are apply for these colleges, if you get selected in these colleges, you will definitely get this stipend, which is 12,400 for your MTech. Okay, or during your MTech, you will be getting every month this much amount of stipend. Okay. So this is the list of the ISC Bangalore is one of the top of colleges. Okay, if you want to pursue MTech from ISC Bangalore, that is the best option. Okay, but for that you should have marks greater than 75. Okay, then only you will get a call. Okay, because that is one of the top college in our country if you want to pursue your masters or your PhD. Okay. If I talk about other possible option, we have a list of 7 top IITs, that is IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, IIT Kanpur, Madras, Kharagpur, and IIT Gandhinagar. So these are some of the list of the top IITs. Along with that, we have total 24. We have total 24 IITs, including ISC Bangalore. We have total 24 colleges, and these are the best colleges for which you can apply for your MTech, okay. But the condition is that you should be having marks from 60 to 75 and greater than 75. then only I'm telling you, then only if you are from general category, then only you will get a call from these colleges, that is IITs and NITs. We have total 24 IITs, including IC Bangalore's. We have total 24 colleges. Okay, so we have 23 IITs and IC Bangalore. If I count it also, then we have total 24 colleges, best colleges for which you can apply for your MTech. Okay, so these are the possible options, and you will get a form. You have to apply for these colleges. Okay, you have to separately apply for all these IITs and IC Bangalore, and for that you will get a notification from Gradeup. We'll provide you notification for that also. So for that you have to you have to subscribe to our Gradeup app. You have to download the Gradeup app and please follow our Gradeup app. Okay, so you will get the notification for these IITs and IITs whenever you will have a notification for these colleges. Will update you regarding that, and you can fill for this form. You can apply for these IITs. Okay. Next is that range of students who are getting marks from 50. If you are getting marks, let's say if the cutoff is 30 marks, okay, and if you are having your marks from 40 to 60 marks. Okay, if you are having marks from 40 to 60 and still you are so much particular that you have to pursue MTech. If you really want to pursue MTech, if you are having marks from 40 to 60, okay, it's just not that. Again, I'm telling you that the option for those students who are getting marks greater than 60, this option is also applied for those students. It's not that if you are getting marks greater than 60, then you cannot apply for this IITs and NITs. Then also you can apply for it. Okay, so if you are getting plus 60 plus marks, then also you can apply for this list of NITs. Okay, but I would just want to tell you that these are option depending on your marks. Okay, so if you are having from 40 to 60 marks, you can apply for this CCMT counseling, that is called CCMT. This is a single counseling, this is a single platform from which you can apply for all the list of these 31 NITs. We have total right now 31 NITs. Okay, so you just have to fill this CCMT counseling. You just have to apply for the CCMT counseling, and you will be eligible for these NITs, this list of NITs. We have total 31 NITs in different corners of the country. You can see we have NIT Agartala, then we have MNIT Allahabad, then we have MNIT Bhopal, then NIT Calicut, Durgapur, Hamirpur, Jaipur, Jalandhar, in all different states. Okay, so depending on how much marks you have got in your GATE exam, depending on the specialization in which you want to pursue your MTech. Okay, so it totally depends on that. What are the specialization in which you want to pursue MTech? Okay, I will be taking a separate session regarding that. If you want to have any doubt regarding the specialization and the cutoff of these NITs, I will be taking a separate session for that. Okay, so depending on your request, if you want to have this query that, okay sir, please tell me about the best specialization for MTech. Okay, so I will have a different session for that. Okay, so these are the list of the 31 NITs which recruit through, you just have to fill this CCMT counseling. This is a CCMT online admission. The form for CCMT counseling start from last month of March or first week of April. Okay, so in the last month of March or first week of April, you will get the notification for CCMT counseling, and that also will be providing on the Gradeup app. You just have to follow Gradeup app, or you can follow this ccmt.nic.in. ccmt.nic.in. This is a website for the online counseling for CCMT for all the NITs. Okay, so either you can follow this website or you can follow a Gradeup app. You will get the notification for CCMT counseling. It will probably start from first or second week of April. Okay, so probably the counseling for CCMT will start from first or second week of April. So try to either you can check this website, okay, for the link of this CCMT counseling, or you can follow a Gradeup app. In both the option, if you follow Gradeup app, we will provide you the notification for the CCMT counseling. Okay, as soon as we'll get the notification from CCMT. Okay, so they will provide you the notification in the Gradeup app, or you can check this website regularly from 31st of March. From 31st of March, try to check the website of ccmt.nic.in. Okay. So if you are having marks from 40 to 60, see, I don't want to give you a false promise. Okay. Because if you are having marks around 40 to 50 marks, there are chances that you will not get the best specialization. Okay, you will not be getting the best specialization for MTech. Okay, so maybe you will be getting interdisciplinary branches for your MTech, or not the specialization for your choice, of your choice, because there are 4 to 5 best specialization in which you can pursue MTech. Okay, so if you are having marks from 40 to 50, you can get an NIT for your MTech. I'm not saying you cannot get it. In the final round or in the third round or spot round, you may get an NIT for your MTech. Okay, but if you are having marks from 40 to 50, then I'm not assuring you that you will get the best specialization for your MTech. Okay, because if I talk about mechanical branch, the top 4, or if I talk about top 3 specialization are design, thermal, and we can say design, thermal, and production. These are the best 3 specialization in which you can pursue MTech. And because in the design and CAD/CAM, there in some NITs we have placement also. We have got some placement opportunities in some NITs for design and CAD/CAM. Okay, thermal is also a very good branch for a good specialization for MTech. Okay, so you can do your MTech from thermal also. But if you want to get a placement from NITs, then you should also apply for design and CAD/CAM. It is also a very good specialization. Okay, so these are, we can say, top 3 specialization for your MTech that you can prefer. Okay, so while applying for these NITs, please be careful about the specialization that you are applying for. Okay, because if you are having marks from 40 to 50, you can get an NIT for your MTech, but you will not be getting the specialization of your choice. Maybe you will be getting manufacturing or material science for your MTech, or aerospace also. You can switch to interdisciplinary branch also. Okay, applied mechanics or aerospace or material science, manufacturing. Okay, but you have to plan it accordingly, that what are your career options. Okay, what are your career options? Like Joseph Davis is asking about, what are the career options after MTech? See, after MTech, if I talk about the present condition of our country, okay, so many students in the because they are thinking that they will get a stipend from NITs, IITs, or some colleges, and let's go into MTech and let's pursue from any specialization. Okay, so कोई भी specialization लेके MTech ना करें. It's my request. Try to firstly, if you want to pursue MTech, try to apply for the best specialization. Okay, if you are from mechanical branch, design, thermal, CAD/CAM, production, these are the best specialization that you can go for. Also, you can give priority to manufacturing also. It totally depends on your choice, that what are your choice. Okay, if you have your interest in thermal, then you should do your MTech in thermal, right? Like I have got my interest in thermal branch, and even I got my NIT Rourkela for my MTech in manufacturing. I left that NIT because I have got my interest in thermal branch. So I did my MTech in Thapar University. So I left my tech for NIT and I got for my MTech in Thapar University because it is also a very good college. Okay. So first priority is, brand is also important, that from which college you are pursuing your MTech or your masters. But second thing is that if you seriously want to pursue your MTech, if you want to go for your MTech, and if you really want to do something in your MTech, if you want to it totally depends that how you have done your masters or your MTech. Okay, so if you have done your MTech from a very good college, no matter whether it is not or IIT or NIT, if it is a very good college and you've really learned something from your MTech, then there are so many possible opportunities that you can go for your Ph.D. or you can have yes, in Thapar also we have placement. I got placed in a college. I have got this placement opportunity in a college. I also taught in a college, that is Lovely Profession University. So yes, there are so many placement opportunities. If I talk about Thapar University, it is a very good college, but it is not part of NIT, IIT. I know that, but it is a very good college because they have placement opportunities. I got placement in Lovely Profession University. I was teaching over there. Okay, so and there are so many colleges that come for recruitment in Thapar University. That normally does not happen in an NIT. Okay, so this is a list of NIT. I will not be taking much time of yours. Now you must be thinking that, sir, if I don't have the option of IITs and NITs, then what are the other options? What are the other options that I can go for? Rohit Gupta, you will get a stipend no matter whether you pursue your MTech from IITs or NITs or from this list of universities. There are around 50 colleges in our country, 50 best colleges, but I have selected best of the best colleges here. These are the list of the good universities. They are government also, deemed also, and private. All these universities, I have selected best 10 universities apart from IITs and ITs from which you can go for your masters. Okay. So if we talk about the best universities for your masters, you can go for Jamia Millia Islamia. It is in Delhi. If you want to pursue your MTech from Delhi, this is also a very good college. Then Jadavpur University. Jadavpur University in Kolkata is also a very good college for your masters. Okay, so if you are not getting a very good marks, and I think Jadavpur University is, they provide you stipend, but they conduct their own exam for masters, I think, if I'm not wrong. Okay, so Jadavpur University is a very good college. It is a government university, I think, and it is a very good college if you want to pursue a masters. And you also get a stipend. If I'm telling you the list of these colleges, that means you will be getting the stipend of 12,400 in all these colleges. And there is a list which is it is a very big list. And if you want to know about more colleges, you can just follow a Gradeup app. In that we have got an article. Okay, in that article we tell you about the list of the colleges apart from ITs and ITs in which you go for your masters, in which you can go for your masters. Okay, so Jamia Millia Islamia is one of them. It is in New Delhi. Okay, then we have Jadavpur University. Then we have Delhi Technological University. It is also a very good college. It is a very, very good government college. If you want to pursue a master's, you can also go for Delhi Technological University. Okay, then we have Punjab University, Chandigarh. Okay, Indraprasth University, Delhi. Punjab University, I think it is repeated again. This is Punjab University. It is something different. This is also called Punjab Engineering College, which is called Tech Chandigarh. If you want to pursue a master from Chandigarh, it is a very good college. Okay, that is in Chandigarh. Yes, I would say HBTI Kanpur is also a very good college. It is a college from UPTU. If you want to pursue MTech, you can also go for this government college, HBTI Kanpur. Okay. Well, today I'm just telling you about the list of colleges. In some other session, I will be telling you the cutoff of these colleges. Okay. So I will be taking a separate session for that. You have to wait for some time. Okay. Then we have Thapar, Anna University and Thapar University. I have already told you about Thapar University, how good it is. I have pursued my MTech in Thapar University, and it is a very good college if you want to really do some research. Okay, so it is a very good college for research opportunities, and the faculties are also very good. They are all very highly qualified faculties. Some of them have pursued their Ph.D. from abroad, or some of them have pursued their Ph.D. from IITs, okay, and IC Bangalore. So it is a very good college, reputed college. It is a private college, but it is a very good college. Okay. JP University and BITS Pilani. BITS Pilani one is it's a better option. Don't go for BITS Mesra, but BITS Pilani is a very good option, okay, for your masters. Okay, Anna University, yes, it's in Tamil Nadu. Yes, that is correct. So that is a list of the good university. Apart from that, we can have so many colleges like Pune Engineering Colleges. See, College of Engineering Pune, yes, that is also a very good college. This is a very small list. We can have more colleges. We can have around 50 colleges also. And for more list of colleges, you can just follow our Gradeup app. Just follow our Gradeup app. In the Gradeup app, we have an article. We have got an article in the Gradeup app in which you can get more list of colleges. Osmania University of Hyderabad is also very good college. NITI Mumbai is also very good college. Okay, so these are also options, but I think I didn't want my lecture, this PPT to be, I don't want this session to extend much, so that is why I have not taken much option. For more list of colleges, you can just follow our Gradeup app. In the Gradeup app, we have provided you list of around 40 plus colleges other than IITs and IITs for which you can go for your masters. Okay. So you just if you just download the list of colleges for MTech, you will get a link for IIT. A link of Gradeup. Okay, you will get an article of Gradeup. In the article of Gradeup, you can get the list of all the colleges apart from IITs and IITs in which you can pursue your masters. Okay. Osmania University or Delhi University. See, Amrut Reddy. If I personally talk about these colleges, then best college is Delhi Technological University. It is a very good college for your masters. It is a government college. Then we have Jadavpur University, is also very good college. It is in Kolkata. And the good thing about this thing is that all these colleges are located in different states. Okay. So depending on your feasibility, depending on your specialization, whether you are getting a good specialization in these colleges, like my reason for getting in my going to Thapar University was my interest in thermal branch. Okay, so I left NIT and I went to Thapar University for my masters, because see, I have to go for the location. We have to go for the location, what is the best location and which is the best college, whether you are getting if you are not getting IIT and IT, okay, that means if you are not getting your best specialization in the IIT and IT, okay, अगर आपको IIT और NIT में specialization नहीं मिल रहा है, ठीक है, आपकी choice का, then you can go for these colleges or other colleges in which you are getting your best, I can say, best specialization. If you want to pursue your masters from design or thermal, and if you are not getting IITs and IITs, then you can go for these colleges, okay, and many other colleges. Okay, so it totally depends on the specialization. Thapar ka cutoff, well, Anjan, the cutoff of Thapar University, if I talk about, if you are getting a gate score of 526, or even if you are getting gate score of 400 gate score, or I can say if you are getting if the cutoff is 30 marks and if you have got 40 marks, then also you can apply for Thapar University. So in that they select top 19. You have to just apply for the form, and they don't take any written exam. Based on the top list of the top 19 students, they provide the scholarship only to top 19 students, depending on how much score they have got. Okay, for example, if 100 students have applied for Thapar University, so they will be selecting top 19 students depending on their gate score. Okay, so only those students will get the scholarship, that is a stipend of 12,400. Okay. Now, if you really want to pursue your masters from not from India, if you want to pursue master from abroad, okay, so this is a list of 3 colleges that provide you opportunities for masters outside, in Singapore and in Germany. So we have this National University of Singapore. Okay, they also take this student for masters based on the gate score. So average gate score which is required for your pursuing your masters is 90 percentile. Okay, so if you are having 90 percentile in these colleges, if you are having 90 percentile in the gate exam, then you can apply for these universities also. Okay, these 2 universities are in Singapore. That is, first is National University of Singapore, and then we have Nanyang Technological University, NTU, and then we have Technical University of Germany. It is in Germany. Okay, so if you are having 90 percentile, more than 90 percentile in the gate exam, okay, depending on your gate marks, you can calculate your percentile online also. If you know your gate marks, and if you know the number of total students who have given the gate exam, you can find your percentile. Okay, so if you are having 90 percentile or more than 90 percentile, then you can apply for these 3 universities abroad for your masters. Okay, so they also accept the gate score for pursuing the MTech. Okay. Ajit Negi is asking about the graphic era university. Well, see, I have told you the list of some private colleges, government colleges, deemed university for your masters. So graphic era is also one of the good college, but I would not suggest that. See, if you don't get these list of colleges that I have told you in the session, then you can also go for your graphic era, but you have to make sure whether you are getting the stipend or not. Okay, you have to make sure whether those colleges in which you are applying for, like the list of colleges that I have shown in my PPT, and there are a list of many more colleges which provide a stipend. Okay, so you have to confirm about it whether you are getting the stipend or not. Okay, so those colleges should be providing the stipend, and they should be they should be providing the stipend through gate score. Okay, so you have to make sure about it. Now, so many students are having different queries, like Arun is asking about it is possible to do research in the colleges after becoming IAS officer. Arun, if you want to do your PhD after becoming IAS officer, so you can do that. You can go for part-time PhD. I'm not sure about it, but yes, you can do that. I think there is some option for that. Okay, so if you want to go for research, definitely you have those options. Even if you get selected in some government exam, okay, then also we have this option of a sponsored PhD. Okay, so you can go for sponsored PhD also. Now, so if you are not able to qualify the gate exam, or even if you have qualified the gate exam, even if you have got very good marks in the gate exam, then apart from this gate exam, that is not the only exam. Okay, we have 3-4 exams which are down the line. Okay, so we have 3 to 4 exams which are down the line, and BYJU'S Steel is one of them. The last date to apply for the exam is, I think, 13th of Feb. Still the application form is going live for this. So you can apply for BYJU'S Steel. If you have not filled for the BYJU'S Steel, you can please apply for this. Okay, so if I talk about what are the opportunities apart from the gate exam, there are also different opportunities, and BYJU'S Steel is one of them, because the form are still going for BYJU'S Steel. You can apply for this. I think last date is 13th Feb. I am not sure about it, but yes, I have seen it in the notification. The last date for BYJU'S Steel, I think, is 13th Feb. So please check it and apply for BYJU'S Steel. Okay. Apart from this, we have Coal India Limited exam. That is, I think, from 27th and 28th of Feb. I'm not sure about the date again, but yes, I think these are the dates for the exam of Coal India Limited. Okay, so you can also give this exam of Coal India Limited if you have prepared for the gate exam, and even if you are getting 80 plus marks or 90 plus marks or 60 marks or 40 marks, then also you should try to give these exams. Okay, if you have filled for this exam, if you applied for this exam, try to give this exam with complete preparation, so that if you have not got this opportunity, you will have other opportunity also with you. Okay, so don't try to have only single opportunity with you. Try to have 3 to 4 opportunities. Okay, so you should prepare for the Coal India exam if you have applied for this. SSC JEE exam will be in the month of March, and I think BARC will be also in the month of March. These 2 exams will be in the month of March. Already the form have been applied for these exams. Okay, so try to, if you have filled for, if you applied for these 2 exams, SSC JEE and BARC exam, the exam will be conducted in the month of March. Okay, so BARC take the students through gate exam also, and it also conduct its own exam. Okay, so you can apply for BARC exam. You can, if you already applied for it, your exam will be in the month of March. And also for SSC JEE, SSC JEE 2019 exam will also be conducted in the month of March. Okay, Coal India Limited is in month of February, and BYJU'S Steel, still the application forms are going on. You can apply for this BYJU'S Steel also. Okay, how MNC take? Please tell sir. Pankaj Arya, if you are talking about multinational company, if you are talking about some private companies for your see, this session is about the GATE what are the option about after GATE exam. If you talk about some other opportunities, I will definitely be taking a separate session for that. Okay, this session is only for those students who have given the GATE exam and what are the possible options that they can explore for after the GATE exam if you have got if they are getting good marks, or even if they are not getting good marks. Okay, so if you are expecting that your marks will be more than 60 plus or 80 plus, then also you can go for that, and these are also the options. Okay, so this session, I hope it is you have got all the queries regarding the possible opportunities after the GATE, after giving your GATE exam. It is clear to you all. Okay, I hope I have tried to help you in some way through my session and through this session. For all those mechanical engineering students who have given the GATE exam in 2020 on 1st of Feb. Okay, those who have not given this exam, those who are preparing for GATE 2021, you can follow our startup series, this startup series. Okay, so let me take some comments. Ajit Singh is asking, sir, is it safe to apply for PSU when government is selling the stake that is processed to privatize them? Well, Ajit Negi, it is not for all the PSUs. The government cannot make all the PSUs private. Okay, because like if I talk about BHEL or ONGC or NTPC and IOCL, there are so many PSUs which cannot get completely privatized. Okay, because government has to take some PSUs under their control. Okay, so they cannot make all the PSUs privatized. Only few PSUs which are in loss, and government is not able to cover all the expenses for those PSUs. So that is why these PSUs have been taken into private sector. Okay, but not for all the PSUs. That is not for all the PSUs. Okay, it is only for few PSUs which are not able to generate the profit. Okay, so that PSUs are getting privatized. Okay, so that the employee should get the salary on time, and that should not get affected. So that is why those PSUs are getting privatized. All right. So that is all in this session. I hope this general session for what after GATE has helped you all in clearing some of your queries, those who have given the GATE exam. And if you want to have more list of colleges, like I have told you, please follow the Gradeup app. If you want to don't want to miss the notification for the PSUs, we will be providing you the notification for the PSU in the Gradeup app. Please follow our Gradeup app so that you can get the timely notification for all the PSUs. Okay, because you have to fill the form for the PSU, then only you will get the call. Also for CCMT counseling and IIT counseling, will be providing you the notification in the Gradeup app. Okay, so please regularly follow a Gradeup app from today onwards. Okay. Now, so apart from this information, for those who have given the GATE exam, if you want to give yourself second chance, if you want to prepare for GATE 2021 and you want to start from now onwards, then we have this Vision 2021 course. Okay, so it is not that if you are getting more than 70 plus marks or 60 plus marks, then you can have your options. You have got your options. But if you want to give yourself 1 year preparation, if you want to apply for GATE and ESE 2021, then we have got this Vision 2021 course. In this paid course, this is a paid course for GATE and ESE. It is a course for both these two exams, GATE exam and ESE exam. In this paid course, we'll be covering the complete syllabus of GATE and ESE. So we know that ESE exam is conducted in the month of January and GATE exam is the month of February. So we'll be providing this complete course for GATE and ESE for technical as well as for non-tech and also for conventional. Everything will be covered in this course, which is Vision 2021. Already the classes have been started from 20th of January. Okay, so you can purchase this course. The link has been given in the notification. In the description of this video, you can find the link for this Vision 2021 course. Okay, in this course, we'll be providing you 550 plus hours of the live classes for ESE and GATE technical syllabus. Along with that, you will get 150 plus hours of the classes for ESE prelims non-tech syllabus. That is, we are having 10 different topics for ESE prelims, paper 1. So that also will be covered in 150 plus hours. Okay, 700 plus quizzes and conventional assignment will also be part of this course. After the class, you will get daily quizzes, daily notes will also be provided you in this course, okay? And you will also get subject test, full length mock test, and for both GATE and ESE. And all the classes will be in the evening, okay? So classes timings are in the evening. That is after 6 or 7 will be the timing of these classes will be after 7. Okay, so the classes will start from 7 p.m. onwards, okay, in the night. This is all about Vision 2021 course. If you are planning for going for Vision, this GATE and ESE 2021 exam, you can purchase our paid course called Vision 2021. The classes have already been started from 20th of January. So you can purchase this course. And the link for this course is given in the description of this video. You can find this link in the description of this video, okay? Now, this is one more thing. See, if you are getting 30 marks, if you have just qualified your GATE 2020 exam, and if you think that you are not having any options, and you want to give yourself one chance, if you really want to give one chance that if you want to prepare for GATE and ESE 2021, then this is something that we are providing for. We are providing a discount. We are providing 50% discount for those students who have qualified the GATE exam in the year 17, 18, 19 and 20. If you have just qualified, even if you have just qualified your GATE exam in 17, 18, 19 and 20, then you will get 50% discount on the MRP. I'm not sure about the MRP. If you are having any query regarding the cost of this course, you can just, in this video, you can find a link for this course, okay? In this video, there is a link for this course. You can just click on the link and you will reach on to the page for this course. There you will get to know about the cost of this course, okay? So everything regarding, if you are having any query regarding this course, you can just call this number 96500 52904. That is a contact number for, if you are having any query regarding this course, you can contact it, or you can mail on this mail ID, help@gradeup.co, okay? If you have pursued your B.Tech from IIT or NIT or any college, government college, if you have pursued your B.Tech from IIT, NIT or any government college, then also you will get a 50% discount on the MRP. Now you are asking about what is the MRP. See, if you are having any query regarding the cost of this course or any other query, you can just contact on this number 96500 52904. That is the call. That is the contract information regarding our for Gradeup, and you can just call them, and they will provide you all the information regarding the cost of this course. Okay, and if you have qualified the ESE prelims exam, then also you will get this 50% discount on the MRP of this course. Okay, so please contact this number, or you can also drop a mail on this mail ID, help@gradeup.co or anand.pandey@gradeup.co. Okay, so these are the source of information. If you want to have any query, if you are having any query regarding this course, you can contact this number, or you can also mail on this two mail IDs. Okay, so that is all information regarding the Vision 2021 course. Now, sir, what GATE is completed? Bhaumik Upadhyay, this session was especially for those who have given their GATE exam. So I have told you everything about those students who have given the GATE exam 2020. So I have told you all the possible options and all the possible opportunities. Okay, and now we are just about to end the session. If you want, you can watch the session later on, and you will get all the information. Okay. So that is all in this session. So in this session, I have discussed about what are the possible opportunities for those students who have given their GATE exam in this on 1st of Feb. GATE 2020. If you have given your GATE exam on 1st of Feb for GATE 2020, I have told you all the possible options that you can have if you are getting good marks, if you are getting 60 plus marks, or if you are getting less than 60 marks, or if you are getting 40 marks, whatever marks you are getting, I have told you all the possible opportunities. Okay, now it's totally up to you which opportunities or which possibility you want to explore. Okay. Arun is having a query. Please conduct a session about after ESE exam another day. It's my request. Okay, Arun, definitely we'll be conducting a session on this after ESE exam and another day. Okay, so if you are having this, if you want this session, if you are requesting this session, we'll definitely have this session. Okay. PhDM gate score कितना चाहिए? Well, Wolverine, Soumya Banerjee, if you want to pursue your PhD, then I think they are not asking about the gate score. Only thing that they require is that you should have your gate score, you should have valid gate score. That is the only requirement for pursuing the PhD. Okay, they don't ask about that how much should be the gate score. Only requirement is that you should have a valid gate score. So question practice for bar exam. Seriously, if you want to pursue the question for bar exam, definitely we must have been providing some quizzes for bar exam in our Gradeup app. So you can just follow our Gradeup app. In that we are definitely providing the quizzes for bar exam. And you can also purchase our Gradeup green card. In that also we have, I think we have the test series for bar exam. So you can just follow our Gradeup app. You can get the daily quizzes for bar exam. Okay. Amrut Reddy is asking about the MS courses in IITs and IITs. Amrut Reddy, firstly, I don't understand why you want to pursue the MS in the IITs and IITs. I think better option is to pursue the masters. If you are pursuing your B.Tech, the more better option is to go for the masters. Okay, and that is MTech or master in engineering, that is ME. If you want to pursue the MS, I think then IIT Bombay is also a better option, and IIT Kharagpur and IC Bangalore. These are some best option for pursuing your MS. Okay, but if you really want to pursue MS, go for abroad. Okay, go for some foreign university for your MS. Okay, based on your GRE score or based on your IS score, you can go for your master's MS abroad. Okay. SSC JEE in ISRO final year student eligible or not? Well, Manjunt, I'm not sure right now for SSC JEE, but I think for SSC JEE final year students are not eligible. I think that was. But Manjunt, I think ISRO exam and SSC JEE exam, already the ISRO exam has been conducted and SSC JEE exam application form has already been filled. Okay, so I think you won't be eligible this time for these two exams. ISRO exam has already been conducted. And regarding this information, whether final year are eligible or not, this information I'm not sure right now, so I can't provide you the information for that. Why not admission below 60% student in the PSU? Well, Akshay Mali, I'm not sure about this. If you have a valid gate score, if you are getting 80 plus marks, and so they have their requirement, PSU have some requirements, have some basic qualification that they need. That is, they should have B.Tech more than 65% or something like that. So I'm not sure about it. They have some basic, some PSUs have these requirements, some PSUs don't have this requirement. Okay, so they totally depends on the requirement of the PSU. Okay. So that is all in this session. If you like the content given in this session, don't follow to subscribe to the channel, because if you want to get these videos like that, if you want to get benefited from videos like that, please follow our Gradeup app and please subscribe to the channel. It is my request, please follow our Gradeup app, because if you will not follow a Gradeup app, and if you are getting good marks in the GATE exam, or even if you are not getting that appreciable score, then also you have to follow the Gradeup app, because in the Gradeup app, you will get the notification for all the PSUs. As soon as we will get the application form will get started up, will tell you the notification, will notify you about the application form for PSU and also for IITs and CCMT counseling. So for that, please follow our Gradeup app, please download our Gradeup app. Okay. 30 days preparation strategy for bar exam. Saurav Das, definitely we'll have a session regarding that. We'll tell you the strategy for bar exam. Okay, but if I tell you a strategy right now, the question in the bar exam are exactly similar like GATE exam. So if you have solved previous year questions and if you have done a preparation for GATE exam, then it will be very easy for you to give to crack the bar exam. Okay, the questions are not that tough. Okay, they are exactly similar to GATE exam. Salahuddin is having this question: is green card available to unlock all types of exam or for a particular exam? Salahuddin, green card is an access to all the exams, all the test series which have been provided by Gradeup Okay, so if you purchase our green card, either it is a monthly card or yearly card, you can get access to all the exam test series. It's just not for a single exam, it is for all the exam test series. Okay, so that is all the information for this session. I hope this session was useful to you. If you like the content, please like the session. Don't follow to subscribe. You have to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss any notification regarding any videos like that. In the startup series, tomorrow we are going to conduct another session. We are going to conduct 2 more sessions for fluid mechanics. Tomorrow we will be having a session of manometry, and day after tomorrow we will be having a session of fluid kinematics. Okay, so I'll be meeting you tomorrow for the session on fluid mechanics in the startup ME free series. Till then, thank you and have a good day. Prep smart, score better. Go Gradeup.